Welcome to our video on tips and tricks for successfully using Amiclear to reduce blood sugar levels. In this video, we will share some valuable insights and strategies that can help you effectively manage your blood sugar levels using Amiclear. So let's dive in. Before we get into the tips and tricks, let's take a moment to understand what Amiclear actually is. Amiclear is a revolutionary supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels by targeting the root causes of high blood sugar. It contains a unique blend of natural ingredients that work synergistically to regulate insulin production, improve glucose metabolism, and increase insulin sensitivity. One of the most important tips for successfully using Amiclear is to be consistent with your dosing. It's crucial to take the supplement as recommended by your healthcare provider or as indicated on the product label. Consistency will ensure that you maintain stable blood sugar levels and maximize the benefits of Amiclear. In addition to taking Amiclear, following a healthy diet plays a significant role in managing blood sugar levels. A diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and low in refined sugars and carbohydrates can complement the effects of Amiclear. It's also important to monitor portion sizes and balance your meals to prevent spikes in blood sugar. Exercise is another vital aspect of reducing blood sugar levels. Engaging in regular physical activity helps increase insulin sensitivity, improve glucose uptake, and lower insulin resistance. Incorporating activities like walking, jogging, cycling, or strength training can effectively complement the effects of Amiclear. Did you know that staying hydrated can also contribute to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels? Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day promotes proper metabolism, supports kidney function, and helps regulate blood sugar. So don't forget to hydrate. That brings us to the end of our video on tips and tricks for successfully using Amiclear to reduce blood sugar levels. By following these strategies and incorporating Amiclear into your daily routine, you can take a proactive approach towards managing your blood sugar. Remember, it's always essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or treatment. Thank you for watching.